Energy efficiency plays a major role in how comfortable and cost-effective a home feels. While windows often get most of the attention, doors are just as important when it comes to controlling indoor temperatures and reducing energy loss. For homeowners in Washington, modern door replacement offers significant energy efficiency advantages that can improve everyday comfort while supporting smarter energy use throughout the home. Reducing air leaks and drafts. One of the biggest sources of energy loss in a home is air leakage around doors. Older doors often develop gaps due to wear, warping, or settling of the home. These gaps allow outdoor air to enter freely, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Modern replacement doors are designed for a precise fit and include improved sealing around the edges. For Washington homeowners, this tighter seal helps eliminate drafts and prevents conditioned air from escaping. The result is a home that feels more comfortable and balanced throughout the day. Improving temperature consistency indoors. When doors don't seal properly, certain areas of the home can feel warmer or cooler than others. Entryways and nearby rooms are often the first to show signs of temperature imbalance. Modern door replacement helps create a more stable indoor environment. By minimizing air exchange at entry points, new doors support consistent temperatures across the home. Washington homeowners often notice that rooms near doors feel more comfortable after upgrading, with fewer hot or cold spots. Supporting efficient heating and cooling. Performance heating and cooling systems work best when the home is well sealed. Old doors that leak air force these systems to run more frequently to compensate for energy loss. This increases energy use and places additional strain on equipment. Replacing doors with modern, energy-efficient options helps reduce that workload. For homeowners in Washington, this means heating and cooling systems can operate more efficiently, maintaining comfort without unnecessary effort. Enhancing insulation at entry points. Modern doors are built with improved materials and construction that enhance insulation. These doors are designed to slow the transfer of heat between indoor and outdoor spaces, helping maintain comfortable indoor conditions. For Washington homes, this added insulation makes a noticeable difference, especially near main entry points. Interior spaces feel less affected by outdoor temperature changes, contributing to a more pleasant living environment. Reducing indoor comfort fluctuations. Energy inefficiency often shows up as discomfort rather than obvious air leaks. Sudden temperature changes near doors, increased drafts, or rooms that never feel quite right are common signs. Modern door replacement addresses these issues by creating a tighter barrier between inside and outside. Washington homeowners benefit from smoother, more predictable indoor comfort throughout the day and across seasons. Supporting better indoor air control. Air leaks around doors don't just affect temperature, they also allow dust, moisture, and outdoor air into the home. This can impact overall comfort and air quality. Replacing doors helps limit unwanted air intrusion, creating a more controlled indoor environment. For homeowners in Washington, this improved air control supports a cleaner, more comfortable home atmosphere. Enhancing long-term energy performance. Energy efficiency improvements aren't just about immediate comfort, they also support long-term performance. Modern doors are designed to maintain their fit and sealing over time, reducing the risk of future air leaks. Washington homeowners appreciate knowing their investment will continue delivering energy efficiency benefits without frequent adjustments or repairs. This long-term reliability adds value and peace of mind. A practical upgrade with immediate benefits. Door replacement is a focused upgrade that delivers noticeable energy efficiency improvements without requiring a full renovation. It enhances comfort, reduces energy loss, and supports better temperature control almost immediately. For Washington homeowners, modern door replacement offers a smart way to improve energy efficiency while also enhancing the look and feel of the home. By addressing one of the most important entry points, new doors help create a more comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable living environment.